Hello friends, welcome to the 10th episode of 10 in 1 from Borix Materia Medica, cherry picked by Friend of Health. We have covered 90 drugs in the previous 9 episodes. Today we are completing 100 drugs from Borix Materia Medica in this playlist. You may watch the previous episodes in the playlist cherry picked by Friend of Health in the channel. A heart medicine after rheumatism or influenza or Bright's disease, where the muscles of the heart are in stage of fatty degeneration, regulating the pulse and increasing the power of contractions of heart with increased urinary secretions. Most valuable in cardiac dropsy, hydrothorax, ascites, anasarca. Head feels light, aches across front, from occiput around temples to eyes. Precordial pain, palpitation and dyspnea. Oily pellicle on urine. Frequent desire to take a long breath, feeling of weight on chest. Adonis vernalis, pheasant's eye. Marked skin, herpes cinnatus, spinal, eye and ear symptoms. Very sensitive back, pain all over body, offensive discharges. Eyes, lids thickened, inflamed, itching. Cataract following ocular lesions, aids the absorption of infiltrations in iris and choroid. Eczema behind ear, catarrh of middle ear, discharge acrid, smells like fish pickle, itching, swelling, throbbing in meatus. Pain from last cervical to 5th dorsal vertebra, very sensitive, worse touch. Sciatica, worse right side, coughing, straining, and at night with sensitive vertebral column, contraction of tendons in bends of knees. Herpetic spots, ringworm, ring-shaped lesions, offensive odors from affected parts, barber's itch. Tellurium metallicum, the metal tellurium. Sexual debility from nervous prostration, sexual neurasthenia, impotency. Incontinence of old people, chronic prostatic discharge. Aids the establishment of normal menstrual flow in young girls. Renal and cystic catarrh, frigidity of females. Damiana, Turnera. Cancer and cancerous state before ulceration, when pain is principal symptom. Goiter of puberty and pregnancy. Acts especially on mucous membranes, relaxing them and producing a thick yellowish ropey secretion. Depressed, sure of death and desires it. Hawking of yellow, tenacious mucus. Child is aroused suddenly from sleep by this tenacious postnasal dropping. Stomach cannot eat bread or vegetables. Atonic dyspepsia, ulcers and cancer, gastritis. back, dull, heavy, dragging pain and stiffness, particularly across lumbar region. Must use arms in raising himself from seat. Hydrastis canadensis, golden seal. Remedy for the constitution favorable to malarial poisoning, where every damp day or place favors chilliness. Hydrogenated constitution, that is, abnormal sensitiveness to damp and cold, inability to live near fresh water, lakes, rivers, etc., or in damp, chilly places. Coldness not relieved by anything, coldness with pain in long bones. Confusion better by smoking in open air. Bone pains in extremities. Bone pains in extremities, pain in os calcis, sensation of swelling and of parts going to sleep. Arania diadema, papal cross spider. One of the most positive remedies for rheumatism and muscular pains. Inflammatory rheumatism, joints swollen, painful, tendency to metastasis, profuse sweat, rheumatic heart. Head dizzy, full feeling, bursting feeling with every step. Dullness of hearing, soreness deep under right tragus on swallowing. Unable to control muscular action, legs sore, walk like a drunken man. Symptoms worse in evening. Rhamnus californica, California coffee tree. A perfect picture of epileptiform seizure is produced by this drug. Nervous tremors precede attacks. Cerebral irritation, hysterical and infantile spasms come within range of this remedy. Nervousness, excitement and sleeplessness in children. Poisoning by mushrooms. Vertigo with tendency to fall backward, spasmodic facial twitching. Loss of memory, forgets what has recently happened. Sensation of weight on chest, irregular, tumultuous action of heart can be heard in back. Absinthium, common wormwood. One of the remedies whose symptoms point to its employment in bladder affections, notably catarrh, acute and chronic. Scandy urine and loaded with ropey, mucopurulent sediment, prostatic enlargement. Toothache worse after eating and exertion, better cool water. Pain as if tooth was being gently pulled. Unable to urinate without standing, with feet wide apart and body inclined forward. Must strain before flow comes. Scandy urine. Acute prostatitis. Retention and feeling of a ball in perineum. Painful tumor of mammae, not ulcerated, with undue secretion of milk. Rapid atrophy of breasts. Women with very large breast and tumor in the mammary gland with sharp pain through it. Haemophilia umbellata, Pepsi Seva. Should not be forgotten in the treatment of tubercular meningitis. Tuberculous conditions. Meningitis, sleep interrupted by sighing and cries, very drowsy. Pupils dilated, contract unequally, react poorly. Subacute and chronic diarrhea of children. Chronic diarrhea with suspected tuberculosis. Cholera infundum. Chronic diarrhea, stools greenish, watery, undigested with irritable temper. Dose. Second trituration. 3 grains on the back of the tongue will relieve attack of asthmatic breathing. Iodoformium. Iodoform. A remedy for nasal catarrh with headache, pain at root of nose, dry and painful eyes. Bronchitis of children over 7 years. Facilitates the termination of the cold and conserves strength and appetite. Nose feels stopped, pain at root, dry crust on removal leave mucous membranes raw. Postnasal dropping of thick, bland, yellowish mucus. Throat dark purplish, swollen, edematous, red and glassy. Oppression of chest and about heart and also larynx. Miner's asthma. Lungs feel as though smoke had been inhaled. Natrum arsenicosum. Arsenate of sodium. Thank you for being with us in this journey of 10-in-1 from Borix Materia Medica. Today we are completing 100 drugs in this episode. Thank you.